Good morning, class. How was everyone's weekend?
Good.
Good. Did anyone do anything exciting?
No.
I went skiing.
Skiing? Nice.
I made
That's
a snowman.
awesome. Snowman. I know, it's supposed to snow today, so you can go skiing. More snow. All right, so today we're going to finish up our chemical reactions. So if you will pull out your notes, we're going to do a study, tell, help, check. So for just a minute, look through your notes, kind of remember what we talked about on Friday. And then once you've looked through your notes, you can partner up and discuss the differences or the similarities that you have in your notes together.
We got it at school.
You got it? All right.
Yeah. We got this.
Sean, you know combustion?
Yeah. Stuff in reaction rapidly with oxygen to produce light and heat, obviously.
Oh, it's synthesis.
Two or more substances react to form a single substance. A plus B equals AB.
All right, what is one element takes the place of another element in a compound?
Single replacement. Oh gosh. I'm in science one day. Whatever. Mrs. Kaluski, more like Mrs. Get-a-Kaluski, am I right?
All right, so can anyone tell me what a single replacement chemical reaction is? Sam?
One element takes the place of another element in a compound.
Nice, yes. How about double replacement? Amelia?
Two different compounds exchange positive ions and form two new compounds.
Form two new compounds, yes. Nice. About our oxidation reduction. This one's the hardest one. Yeah, Sean.
Oxidation is when metal reacts with oxygen and loses 2 electrons. Reduction is when an element gains an electron during a reaction, and both happen together and transfer with a transfer of electrons.
Yeah, so they're two different reactions, but they always happen together. So we're just going to put them together because they switch electrons. All right, decomposition. Lil?
A compound breaks down into two or more simpler substances.
Yes. Nice. We have 2 left. Synthesis. Yeah, Sam.
2 or more substances react to form a single substance.
Yes. So synthesis and decomposition are the exact opposite of each other. And then combustion. Yeah, Sean.
Substance reacts rapidly with oxygen, produces light and heat.
Nice. Yeah, so today, as we get ready for our test at the end of the week, I just want to use something called a recall device, and you have your sheet in front of you to help you remember all 6 of these chemical reactions. So, in the format, the information box right at the top, if you want to write down all 6 of the chemical reactions of what's on the board. All right, so how I would like you to be a part of this lesson is to help me create a device that will help you remember all of these chemical reactions. So if you want to underline the beginning of each of these, we're going to try and create an acronym. So looking at it right away, does anyone see a word that jumps out at them right away? No, not really. Or at least I didn't see one. Did Sean or Sam, do you see a word right away that jumps out at you?
No.
Something that I do see, though, is we have D and R. And what does that make? Doctor. And then we have SR, which makes
Sir.
senior. Yeah. So that takes place of our single replacement or our double replacement. So is there a word that you see, with the remaining letters, something that we could create?
Chords.
Chords. Is there another word that someone wants to use, or does chords work?
I like chords.
Chords?
Yeah.
All right. So putting these three together, is there something that would make the most sense?
Senior Dr. Chords.
Senior Dr. Chords?
Dr. Senior Chords.
Dr. Senior Chords? Dr. Chords Senior? Is there one that you like the best?
Senior Dr. Chords.
I like Dr. Chord Senior best.
Dr.
No,
Chords
Senior
Senior?
Dr. Chords.
Me too. I like Dr.
Okay.
Chord Senior.
It's a great idea, though, Sean. If you want to use that, you for sure can.
Okay.
So Dr. Chords Senior. So if you want to write that in the create the recall device, and you can make little notes if you want to of what each of these stand for. Here we have our double replacement, our combustion, oxidation reduction, decomposition, synthesis, and single replacement. So in the tie it together section, something that I had written down was Dr. Cord Sr. has many reactions to chemicals. Because Dr. Cord Sr. is helping us remember chemical reactions. Does that sound like something we want to write down, or does anyone have a different idea?
Can you repeat it?
Yeah, of course. Dr. Cord Sr. has many reactions to chemicals. Because these are our chemical reactions. So then in our organize some questions that we can think about, what are the 6 chemical reactions? And what are their characteristics? So what was our purpose in talking about Dr. Cord Sr.? What is it going to help us do?
remember different types of chemical reactions.
Right, yeah. Remember the 6 types of chemical reactions. And how is that useful? What is that? Why does it matter if we remember?
So we know it on the test.
You know it on the test or in future science classes that you'll remember them when you talk about chemicals and in chemistry next year.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So what I would like you to do for the remainder of class is to create some note cards. And so on one side you can put the name of the chemical reaction, and then up in the corner if you want to write Dr. Cord Sr. and which part of the acronym it corresponds to, and then on the other side you can put down the definition, and this will just help you really study and learn for the test on Friday. All right, does anyone have any questions?
Nope.
All right, you can get to work. Thank you.